Hi there, Mommy Sir. A blessed day, Mommy Sir. My name is Jennifer C. Balanza. I am 40 years old from Pilar, Santa Cruz, Ilocos, Sir. I am a single mother, blessed of 3 girls and 1 son. I am a high school graduate. I have a total 9 years and 5 months as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I truly enjoy working with kids and helping them learn and grow. I am passionate about creating a safe, tutoring, and stimulating environment for the children, especially if the parents is not around, and communicating with the parents regarding their everyday routine. And I also do a household course. Dear Mom and Sir, if you will hire me, I will do my very best to fulfill my duties and responsibilities as your helper. I can also guarantee that the safety of your children is my top priority. Once again, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself through this video, hoping and praying to join to your family in the future. Thank you so much. God bless and see you soon.